Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Are you looking for an affordable and beautiful update to your living room or your patio set? Well, these Phantoscope decorative farmhouse pillows are the perfect addition to make a space feel more cozy and more beautiful. So I'll start off by letting you know that I've had these pillows now for 3 full seasons of indoor and outdoor use, and they have held up wonderfully. The lining doesn't have any snags or areas where they're coming unraveled. The material itself has held up really well, not having any stains after being outside where there are birds and there are insects and there are people sitting on them, eating, drinking. Also, the zippers are super durable. They open easily. They allow me to put in my pillow insert with no problem. So whether you want to add these pillows to a sofa to give you just a little extra cushion, or if you want to jazz up a patio set with a brighter color or an accent pillow, these Phantoscope decorative pillows are a wonderful, affordable solution, and that's my point of view.